In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve recording quality in OBS Studio and fix those blurry recordings that have been troubling you. OBS Studio, or Open Broadcaster Software, is a powerful tool for recording and broadcasting your screen. However, sometimes the recordings can appear blurry if not set up correctly. Let's walk through the steps you need to take to ensure you're getting crisp, clear recordings every time. First, you'll want to open the OBS Studio application on your computer. Once you have OBS Studio running, the next step is to create a new scene if you haven't done so already. This is crucial because scenes are where all the magic happens in OBS. Think of it as a canvas where you can add all the elements you want to include in your recording. To do this, locate the Add Scene button on the lower left side of the interface. It's typically represented by a small plus icon in the Scenes box. Click on it, and then give your new scene a name that helps you remember the purpose or its content. After setting up your scene, let's dive into the settings to enhance your recording quality. Click on File, found in the toolbar at the top of OBS Studio. This will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This section of OBS is where you can tweak and tailor your experience to match exactly what you need. In the Settings window, you'll see several categories on the left-hand side. You want to click on the Video tab. This is where you'll adjust the resolution settings that can impact the clarity of your recordings. Pay close attention here, as selecting the wrong configuration can lead to blurry outputs. Within the video settings, look for the base or canvas resolution setting. This should generally match your monitor's native resolution for the best results. This determines the size of your recording canvas. If this is too low, your recordings will appear blurry regardless of the final output settings. So, make sure it reflects the resolution you desire for your recordings. Adjusting this to a higher resolution will provide you with a clear output, but be mindful of the capability of your hardware to handle these settings, as higher resolutions demand more processing power, and that's really all there is to it. With these settings optimized, you should see a noticeable improvement in the clarity of your recordings in OBS Studio. Ensuring your settings align with your equipment's strengths and capabilities will allow you to produce professional-looking content without the worry of blurriness. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.